This is a big update from immigration, from USCIS. They've been rejecting a lot of cases recently, specifically because they're now requiring each application to have a separate filing fee. No longer can you use one check for multiple applications. Why is this happening? Well, I'm sure you want to know. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is a place where you get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. In this video, we'll talk about some new changes that are coming from USCIS. Specifically, we've seen a lot of rejection of cases coming back because applicants are not using separate checks for filing fees. Before, we were able to use one check to pay multiple filing fees. Now they want to separate this, and I'll tell you why. And also, we've seen an influx of application packages coming back to us with open medical exams, saying that those medical exams are wrong when in fact they're not. I'll explain to you why it's happening and how you can deal with the situation. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Before we do that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. So recently USCIS announced that they expect different filing fees to be paid with separate checks. And the reason they said that is because they have new systems and procedures with USCIS that they're trying to implement, and mostly they're transitioning to electronic benefit processing. So a lot of these applications are going to be processed electronically. And as a result, they're going to need to use multiple systems to process the application packet that are coming to their centers. And because of that, they require that each filing fee to be paid separately to allow their system to process these applications more smoothly. They specifically said they're going to start rejecting applications if applicants will submit one combined check for all filing fees. So be aware of that. Be aware of that because it's happening already now and it's going to get worse. And if you're not going to pay attention, it means that your application could be delayed because they're going to send the whole thing back. So what I recommend at this moment is that each filing fee, please submit it separately, including payment for biometrics. Issue a separate check for biometrics in addition to each separate filing fee for your applications. Same time, another phenomenon that is happening is that USCIS is rejecting applications, and specifically they're sending them back with open medical exams. So for example, when you file an application for a green card, you have to submit a medical exam, you get it in a sealed envelope, and we've seen a lot of these medical exams come back and they said that they're wrong. In fact, they're not wrong. It's an error on the part of the government, and it's been causing a lot of confusions to applicants receiving those applications. In fact, many applicants were so worried, they didn't want to waste time, they filed for new medical exams just to save time. But be aware this is a mistake on the USCIS behalf, and they're trying to resolve the situation right now, and obviously we'll update you with that. At the same time, applicants also respond that they received rejected I-131s, which are advanced paroles. They said they were rejected because there was incorrect filing fees, when in fact the correct filing fee was submitted. Again, that's another error on USCIS behalf. If you receive such rejection, just resend your file and put a cover letter saying that the filing fees is correct and it's an error on behalf of USCIS. The bottom line is all these examples I just told you shows that they are working on so many new systems and there's a lot of confusion over there. So these systems, while they're trying to be more efficient and allow them to process more applications, they're also causing a lot of other issues. For example, they don't recognize certain application fees. They reject those as an error when it's not an error. And so we feel that if something's going to happen in the next couple of months, I know they're working on it, but just be aware of that if you receive a rejection, it's not your fault. You just need to resubmit it, put a cover letter, and hopefully your case will continue to be processed properly. So once again, if you have any questions, if you experience the same thing, please let me know in the comments because it's important to know that applicants are not alone. Once again, hopefully this information is helpful. If you need help with your immigration matter, all you have to do is just send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here for you.